Hi, I'm Frank Gallant. I'm Assistant Director of Operations here at the RTC. I'm also an instructor here. I'm a retired police officer with 26 years of service and was one of the first members starting our drone program at the police department. I'm here with the NETRA quadcopter. What an amazing quadcopter. Biggest benefit of this quadcopter is flight time. Get up to 90 minutes of flight time in the air, flying as an Overwatch drone with an optical zoom camera on it that zooms in and can actively track. An amazing Overwatch quadcopter that you can put up and not have to switch out for 90 minutes. Not many drones of this size can accomplish that feature. Another one by ideaForge is their Switch, which is their fixed wing vertical takeoff craft, which has over 2 hours of flight time. Again, another optical zoom camera that is wonderful for any kind of Overwatch large area search and rescue, forest fire events. Can cover a great deal of area. Wonderful drones, well built, and the software is easy to use. So I highly recommend both of them. They work wonderful for our mission sets.